Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one, except it's not this one. When I designed this project, we still had the hop around framelits, which have die cut the So Hoppy frog. Unfortunately, between me designing it and bringing it out to you on video, they sold out. In fact, they went in less than 4 days. And I'm gutted, absolutely gutted. You could still fussy cut this. You know, there's no problem with that, and I kind of did consider, well, shall I carry on with the same theme and fussy cut it? And then I thought, no, I'm going to bring you different framelits and actually show you that the bag can look so different with just a completely different set. So, like I say, a bit sad that the hop around framelits have gone. Please don't miss out on anything else. I would suspect probably the Cupcake ones are going to go next because they've been extraordinarily popular too, which is these ones here. They go with the Hello Cupcake stamp set. So this is the one you get for free and you buy these and they go with it. And actually that's what I'm going to work with today. So a piece of paper that's 12 by 12. I'm bringing in the sweetest thing, which I just think is gorgeous. It's lovely and bright and fun and yeah, just awesome. So 12 by 12 inches, 30.5 by 30.5 centimetres. Let me turn my tool around. Okay, so on the first side, score it at 1.5 inches, 5 3/4, 7 1/4, and 11.5 inches. And in metric you're scoring at 4, 14.5, 18.5 and 29. And then turn it round and score it at 1.5 inches, 4 centimetres, and turn it over. Don't turn it round, turn it over. So you've still got that score line there. And come and score up here at 10 inches, which is 25.5 centimetres. Okay, so let me move that out of the way. Finished dimensions, 8.5 inches tall, 4 1/4 by 1 1/4. So in metric, 21.5, 10.5, 4. So a nice size box. Okay, I've got a black mark on there. Right, let's grab a bone folder. Oh, it's my centre stage one. It's always a bit of a punt as to which one I'm going to get. I have so many bone folders. I have a lot of bone folders. You all laughed at me, but in a good way, when I showed my mass collection of them. And then quite a lot of people went, yeah, I'm like that too. I have lots because when I'm filming, I mean, when I'm crafting, I put everything away straight away. I can't craft with lots of stuff on my desk. I have to do one project, put it all away and move on to the next. And I find I achieve quite a lot in that, working like that. But when I'm filming, I tend to only have a short period of time in which to film, you know, maybe when the children are at school or something like that. So I tend to only put stamp sets and inks away. And so my bone folders end up scattered and I have about 15 of them. Well, that's an exaggeration. I've got 8 or 9. Okay, so let me fold this bit over. So this was the big panel that went in the wrong direction. Okay, so first thing I want to do is I want to stick this panel down and then I'm going to do some rescoring. No, I'm not rescoring at all, reburnishing. So tear and tape along there. And along there too. So okay, try the other end. There we go. See if I can get this one off. Okay. And then fold over. And so I just want to reinforce that scored line over there. And that one, and then the last one. Okay, so bits to remove. So that's obviously the top now, and we're down at the bottom. So there's a long square here to remove. Whoops. So I'm going to get rid of that. That's scissors with a dodgy tip. And then cut straight up these ones. And here. And I'm going to take a tiny little whisper off this bit up there. So that's all you need to do. So we've just separated the bottom parts. So I'm going to run some tape. I was trying to say adhesive and tape at the same time. It's a tape. On there. And there we go. So that is the back of the box. Fold in 2 sides and the back, and then tape along here. And there we go. So now you close by pushing at this point, not at the top, but at this point here. And it will just go in. Now I've done the boxes before where I've left it wide open and I've squished it completely shut. This one I'm going to squash completely shut. And actually that's interesting. On this one it's closed all the way down, whereas on this one it decided to stop there. And actually, depending on what you've got inside it, that depends on, you know, where your closure is going to come, or, you know, how much it will go in. So I've got Pool Party shimmer ribbon. I'm going to tie a square knot. Yeah, I was doing so well. A wibbly square knot. So there we go. So that's the essence of the box. And now how to decorate. So with this one, I did a big panel across. And I don't know if I want to do that. I think I want to do a smaller panel. I've got my piece of Pool Party, because I wanted the colour to match the ribbon, same as I did with this one, the lemon lime twist to match up there. I think I'm going to go small. No, I'm not. I'm going to go big, and I'm going to stamp Sweet Wishes all over it, I think. Oh, right, so what size do I want? So I want 10 by 7 centimetres. Oh, bring in the trimmer. So that's going to be about 2 3/4. Oops. 2 3/4 by 4. And on a piece of Whisper White that's a bit shorter. So I'm making mine 6.5 by 9.5. And you would make your Whisper White, if you're working in Imperial, just make it a quarter of an inch smaller. So what did I say? Sweet Wishes. I'm going to stamp that all over. And Memento, because it's the one closest to me. There we go. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. Okay, and then I've got, I'll just grab this bit. What colour should I do my cupcake? Because I've got all sorts of colours in here. I don't know. Right, okay, I'm going to go for a pale pink on the front. Pale pink, or shall I? Ooh, no, I think I might have a stack. So I might have to stamp this 3 times. Ugh. Okay, so I'm going to stamp this 3 times in the colours. So we've got powder pink. And I've got my Stampin' scrub here. Just clear that out of the way. Stampin' scrub here. Last time I showed this, loads of people went, oh, I didn't know you did that. So this is a stamp cleaner. So on one side you've got a little cut-out part, which has got a raindrop in. The other side you've got a cut-out part with sunshine in it. So you spray that, scrub, 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 clean, clean, clean on the dry side, and all clean. Right, so, okay, but I need this over the one side because I'm going to do another colour. So I'm going to bring in Cool Party, I think. Yeah, Cool Party. So I'm cleaning it off again. And I'm going to go for Highland Heather. Now technically this pale purple is Grapefruit Grove stamped off, but it's close enough for me to be Highland Heather, and I'm okay with that. And what colour did I say I was going to do the cupcake? I don't remember. I was going to do pale pink, then I was going to do a stack, and I don't know. I love to wing it. Oh, it's there in front of me. For goodness sake, Samantha. Oh, what colour? What colour? What colour? What colour? Should I do do you know what? Shall I do a gorgeous grape, or shall I do... I don't know. I'll do gorgeous grape. Why not? So now I'm going to die cut all of these, and I can do them in groups. So I've got my big shot here. So I'm using my magnetic platform. Kind of got to use it. So magnetic platform, clear plate. Grab my die cut shapes. So I want the base, the cupcake case, and then the bit. It's going to jump around today. Some days the magnets just don't want to play, do they? This is probably off screen, but I'm laying on the bottom one down here. Yeah. Bring that a bit higher. I absolutely love these framelits, and I love that they coordinate with stamps that you get for free, because we all like free stuff. So £45 spend, €60 spend, and you would get the stamps for free. And the dies I've just thrown on the floor are £25 each, which I think is a very good price for dies that match stamps. So yeah, that's what I'm doing up there. Bring this in up here. There are just some days when my magnets are just like, yeah, don't want to play today. And then the last one. So yeah, we have dies. We have this set of dies. We've got 4 seasons which match the painted seasons. I just wibbled that. We've got lily ones that match lasting lily, and we've got a punch that matches part of my story stamp set, and then we've got the more than words stamp set. Oh, why can't I get this one to line up? The more than words stamp set that lines up. That actually the sentiments then pair with all of the other free stamp sets. And actually I brought it in to show you how it pairs with this one. So this is more than words, and you've got today calls for something sweet with extra sprinkles on top, which matches with this set. Love it. Right, okay, let's put these bits together. So, where's my snail? Oh, my snail's almost run out. Oh, it has just literally run out. Snail, super easy to change. Look at that, job done. Dimensionals on the back to elevate. And then my cupcake on there, the cupcake case I should say, down at the bottom. And I'm going to go for the blue one first, I think. Then the pink one. Got Dropsy today. And then the final one. Up there, and actually that might need another one. Just to anchor it to the box because I've stacked them onto one another. There we go, stuck to the box. How cute is that? So it's not Froggies, but it's cute cupcakes and it's exactly the same box, but looks totally different. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Please, please, please don't miss out on any of your framelits that you want to get. They are limited edition. They're only available clearly while stocks last or until the 31st of March. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.